Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the case and SIM tray. This exposes ports and prevents shorts. Once done, boot into safe mode or recovery to check whether green or pink lines persist, because software faults can mimic hardware damage. While testing, inspect the display for visible cracks, discoloration, or pressure marks. Take photos. If lines appear only in safe mode, you have a software path. If persistent, prepare tools for physical connector checks and further hardware steps. You now open the rear panel using gentle heat to soften adhesive and plastic pry tools to avoid damage. Go slow. Once inside, locate and disconnect the display flex cable, then clean the connector with a soft brush and isopropyl 90% or higher, because grime or corrosion causes contact faults that produce colored lines. Reseat the cable firmly, reattach shielding, and boot to check. If lines persist, swap to a spare display or test the original on a known good board to isolate panel versus logic board failure. You complete the repair by replacing the display assembly when connector receipt and swap tests show the same lines. New panels are often the simplest fix. If replacement does not resolve the issue, inspect the logic board for damaged traces, bent pins, or faulty display drivers. These require soldering skills and microscope work because the causes are microscopic. If you see persistent artifacts, make sure to document behavior, backup data, and contact a professional for micro-soldering. Otherwise, you risk permanent loss or more damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.